So I was out at work the other night. I go out in the middle of the night and I place real estate signs. I was driving and I passed a car dealership with some really insane cars. Lamborghinis, Porsches, and McLarens. Really, really nice cars. So I stopped, I took some photos, they're on my Instagram, I put them on Facebook, I think. But I took some pictures and I called them, and I'm going back. Now that it's the day and now that they're open, so I can walk around and whatnot. Let's hope for the best. Alright, well, I'm here at the Auto Gallery. I got my Canon 60D, a Tamron 18 to 270mm lens, and a Bauer 35mm. Starting off with some pretty intense cars. I think I'm going to start off over here with the Lamborghini. I'm going to start off here with this Porsche GT3. Double shot. Double check. This is crystal clear. Gorgeous. I'm going to try and get photos of, go around the whole building maybe with just this lens and then go back around with the other ones. That way I don't miss anything. Can't focus that close. Absolutely praying this battery holds out on me though. Oh my goodness. Now how dark is this? This is dark. Oh, spider. Sorry, gotta get distracted real quick. Hold my jacket closed. Never been this scared before. I hope I don't get copyrighted. With desperation. Oh, that's nice. Ooh. Ooh. Maybe some wide angle action. Let me go get this Porsche wheel too, like that. Oh, this feels great. Glorious badge. I don't really care about Range Rovers though. How do we get this headlight? Pardon me. Goddamn Lamborghini. Just chilling in front of me right now. That's okay. Because I know I can get all these finer details once I switch to the 35mm. Do we got anything on here? The tire shine's good though. How are we looking? Clear? Beautiful. Ooh. I was looking for one of these shots. It's just off. It's still nice though. Maserati too. Might get that one. Oh yeah, I'm going to. MC20. Oh, it's a nice wheel. I don't like that my ISO's at 500 though. Really not liking that. What else we got? Ferrari. Oh. Hold, please, please, please. Okay, whatever. It's gonna have to do it. I don't really like Ferraris. It's a nice McLaren though. GT3 RS, there it is. Probably the best car here. I wouldn't say the fastest, but probably the best. But that's also coming from a Honda guy like me. So, God, the wide body. Ooh, wait. It's okay. I like acting like a GT3 RS fanboy, even though I kind of am not. But that's also because I don't know anything really about these cars. I just know it's the sticker emblem though. And the fingerprints on the hood. Okay. And a NSX wheel for the win. Okay. You know what I'm surprised by? There's no GTR in here. The GTR is kind of the... Oh, there's a GT500 back there though. GTR is kind of the same price. Corvettes. Yeah, that's a lot of Corvettes though. Oh, look at the door handle. I'm sweating so bad in here. It's so tight over here, I don't like it. Okay. I guess that's it for the NSX right now. But whatever. I do want to get this though. Alright, Isaiah. Watch your foot. Look at that carbon. Ooh. Do you believe Lando Norris drives one of these? This thing's dusty. Oh my god, look at all the rocks in there. Look at me talking about this car like I can even afford to look at it. Alright, let me see if I can get something over like this. I'm so sweaty. Don't mind me, Aston Martin. It's a silly looking car. I think I'm gonna use that side of the showroom. Swap lenses right now. Can you imagine if I used one of these cars as a table though? Just be like, hey, Lamborghini, hold this. Okay, set that right. I'm gonna set that right there. Back this bad boy up. Just collapse that. I don't have my rear caps either. Okay, I'm going to take this off though now that I'm done with that lens. Okay, don't go anywhere. Now this one's gonna be way harder though. Okay. I know I can shoot 1/100th, 200. Still a little bright. So I'll go 1/160. So let me see if I can get this Porsche though. This one's a manual focus. I don't have much forgiveness with this lens because there's no stabilizer in it either. So if I'm shaky, I'm shaky. Ooh. I'll darken that one up. Because with this lens now I can get all these badges and whatnot that were too dark. I like that. I gotta say, this lens is a miracle. I want that McLaren though. I want it, but like I want to take pictures of it. Is there anything else I can do with this NSX though? Maybe I can get that Acura badge. Ooh. I'm surprised by the chromatic aberrations on this lens. That's nice. GT3 RS. Oh my god, is this a Mustang? Oh, use the hat. Maybe I can get the Lamborghini key. Oh, just went to F22 on accident. Ferrari. Another McLaren. Token McLaren badge shot. Perfect. Good enough. Classic Ferrari. 328. What else we got? Ferrari. That hurt. Time is in. Well, it's just after 3. You're good.
Okay.
Yep, thank you. It's silly to me how out of all these I missed, not missed, but kind of neglecting the GT500. Just not a Ford guy. Not, ooh, come on, close enough. Nice. I'm coming in here with the mindset that I'm kind of building my resume right now for these guys. You think I can get that Ferrari now? Where's my phone? Oh, you know where I put it? I'm gonna take a picture of me with these cars. I do want that. Get this selfie going. I didn't mean to look so sad in that. Damn. I think I got everything-ish. I'm sure these SUVs are stunning and wonderful and beautiful and amazing, impressive cars. I think people have this idea that like I know anything about cars. So they're like, oh, you're an auto photographer? Well, I claim to be. That's different. God, they're so nice. They should let me drive them. That's what they should do. I can be trusted around this automobile. Can we ban trucks with exhausts like that? Because I keep thinking it's something interesting. And it's just Dave's 1999 Chevy S10. No, okay. I think I've hit everything I wanted to with as much as I wanted to. God, I gotta get this headlight. It's so crisp. I do want to re-get this angle though. Okay. Alright. I do want to get that too. Oh. I just want to know, would you be okay if I took down your contact info? That way I can give the company these photos?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, thank you so much, sir.
No problem.
Alright.
Have a good day.
You as well.
Hey, what's going on, man?
Good, you? Not much.
My goodness, these cars. I mean, just...
I know!
Oh, man.
Jeez, I can't afford to even look at them. Whew.
Oh, man, look. I'm sitting over here. Pictures and all.
I mean, sometimes this is a hobby, but I was out doing my job where I placed the real estate signs on corners. That's midnight, so I'm driving past here. I look and I see the GT3, and I was like, "What?" And I came in. It was 4 in the morning. Looked around the glass. I was like, "Oh my gosh!" All right. Yeah, they do. All right. Now to go find a Starbucks. Edit the photos, get them all in a folder, email them to this guy, print a few off, and then get on my merry way. I'm quite happy with how that went. Where's my... What? Oh. Okay. Did it with enough battery too. Well, had just enough battery to get the job done. So I'm gonna go through. Obviously, when I take the pictures, you'll kind of see how they came out before I do, really. I'm going to tag and link the auto gallery that this is. That way you all can, you know, see more of these cars. And obviously this will be posted on social media, Instagram, Facebook, all that jazz. So yeah, that's how that went.